And just bringing those arms across. And then from there, just bring the arms back up to the ceiling and just lower the arms to the floor. Bringing your left knee now in towards the chest and lower it. And then the right knee and lower it. Keeping yourself as balanced as you can. If that means sort of using the elbows or the arm, do so. Now I want you to lift up through the left knee into chest and let that leg just have a gentle stretch up to the ceiling. Not so the leg shakes, but I do want you to have the knee nice and straight, so you may need to lower the leg slightly. From there, gently, draw the toes up towards the shin and start to lower down. This shouldn't cause any pain in the heel. Point the toes and bring the knee back into the chest. We'll do that again 3 more times. Point, heel down. And again, point, heel down. Again, bringing the foot in. It's a bit like a bicycle. And then let that leg rest. So let's do the same with the right leg. Bring the knee into the chest and point. Lower it if you need to, so you feel a gentle stretch but no pulling. From there, draw the toe to the shin. So you're actually shortening the angle at the front of the ankle, flexion. And then in. And point. And lower. In. Couple more. Point. Heel down. Let those shoulders relax as much as you can. Last time.